Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon everyone. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Yasri Z. I come from Tadulako University. On this occasion, I will present the result of my research in Thailand. In my presentation, I will divide into 5 subtopics: first, background of the problem, literature review, research method, research result, discussion, and conclusion. Alright, I'll start presenting. Number 1, background of the problem. Based on the result of initial observation that research conducted with the Hamrom teacher for grade 4. There were 21 students in the Binanga Impres Elementary School. The problem outlined were related to student learning outcomes. Students were more likely to complete assignment individually in mathematics lesson, and there were also students who were pursuing their activities without paying attention to the material presented by the teacher. In connection with the above problem, the research made improvement and follow-up to be to inform student learning outcomes. To overcome this problem, the research used the Nubangan learning model to inform mathematics learning outcome for 4 grade students of ST Impres Binanga. Literature review. The Nubangan learning model is learning model that begins with seeking information from the material on picture that the teacher provides and then strengthens mastery of the material with the text of making question and answer. Next, research method. The type of research is experimental research. Next, data collection technique. Number 1, filter text. Number 2, documentation. Number 3, interview. Next, test instrument analysis technique. Number 1, analysis of the validity of the test items. Number 2, analysis of the reliability of a test. Data analysis technique using SPSS version 25 analysis. Number 1, data normality test. Number 2, data homogeneity test. Number 3, hypothesis testing. Next, research result. Number 1, normality test result. Significant value in the experimental class was 0 to 100, greater than the level set 0 to 100, more than 0 or 5. Meanwhile, for the control class, the significant value is 0, 121, which is greater than the level set 0, 121, more than 0 or 5. Number 2, homogeneity the result. Significant value in the experimental class and control class was 0, 898, greater than the level that was set 0, 898, more than 0 of 5. Number 3, the test result using Bayer differences. There is a significant value of Bayer sample test 0.002 less than 0.05 because the significant value of the test 0.002 less than 0.05. Then HA is accepted and how is rejected. So, it was concluded that the Nobangan learning model based on the traditional game of the Kaili tribe was effectively used against the mathematical learning outcomes of 4 grade of SD Impress Binanga. Next, discussion. Based of the result of conclusion using the parallel sample test, obtained a significant value of 0.002 less than 0.05, so that I accept the alternative hypothesis, namely the Nobangan learning model is effective in improving students' mathematical learning outcome and rejects the null hypothesis, namely the Nobangan learning model based on the traditional game of the Kaili tribe is not effectively used on the mathematical learning outcome of 4th grade students of SD Impress Binanga. So, it can be concluded that the Nobangan learning model based on the traditional game of the Kaili tribe is effectively used in improving student mathematics learning outcome in grade 4 SD Impress Binanga. Conclusion. Based on the result of research and discussion, it can be concluded as follows. Based on the analysis of the result and discussion that have been carried out, it can be concluded that the Nobangan learning model based on the traditional games of the Kaili tribe is effectively used in improving the mathematical learning outcomes of 4th grade students of SD Impress Binanga. This can be seen from the final score or post-test score in the control class using the conventional learning model that was previously applied at SD Impress Binanga, which obtained an average of 56, 66 in the experimental class that used the Nobangan learning model. The final score or post-test score is 65, 45. Due to post the result from the control class and the experimental class were carried out using the pirate sample test with a safe value to dilate of 0.002 less than 0.05, which means that there is a significant difference in the average value of student learning outcomes between the Nobangan learning model and the conventional learning model.